With all eyes on World Cup host country Brazil, it's easy to forget the 2016 Olympics are being held there as well. Tell that to the Olympians competing in the water events. Hey guys, I'm Andrew Dymburt for Buzz60. Welcome to the dump that is Rio, says Germany's sailing team in a New York Times report. The waters of Guanabara Bay in Rio De Janeiro, where sailing events are set to take place, is so badly polluted, it makes those sushi hotels look like penthouse suites. Some of the trash reportedly found in the water includes, well, mounds of trash, toxic waste, submerged sofas, dog carcasses, and even a few human corpses. Brazilian officials promised to cut the flow of pollution into the bay by 80% for the Olympics, but now they're admitting defeat, saying they could maybe reduce it by 50%. So what, instead of seeing 2 corpses on the side of your keelboat in a gold medal event, you'll only see 1? Because cleaning 50% of this isn't really cleaning at all, is it? Buzz60. Now you know, pass it on.